A man and a woman were shot dead after gunmen invaded their home in a community known as Boat Island on the Spanish Town Road in St. Andrew on Sunday afternoon. The two deceased have been identified as 20-year-old Shakira Thomas and Tyler Taylor, a 21-year-old Tyler, both from the said address. It was reported that around 3:45 p.m. the two were at home when they were pounced upon by a group of men unarmed with handguns and rifles. Police said the men opened fire at the two, hitting Taylor in the head and Thomas multiple times to her upper body. The police reported, were transported by residents to the Kingston Public Hospital where they were pronounced dead by doctors on duty. The scene was processed and a 5.56 and 7.9mm spent casing were found. No motive has been given for the attack. Disagreement over money led to the death of a teen on Harris Street in Maypen, Clarendon, Sunday morning. The deceased has been identified as 18-year-old Javoy Zachary Mackenzie, otherwise called Drogba or Barco. He died while undergoing treatment at hospital. It was reported that around 4:30 a.m., Mackenzie and another male got into an altercation over money. During the dispute, the police said a knife was used to stab the teen in his left groin. Mackenzie was taken by friends to the Maypen Hospital where he was admitted but died while undergoing treatment. The 20-year-old man with whom Mackenzie had a dispute was taken into custody after he was brought in by family members later in the morning. Police said initial investigations have indicated that the men may have been gambling when the dispute. Police have launched a probe after the body of a man was found with chop wounds at his home at Shady Springs in Whitehorse, St. Thomas on Sunday morning. The deceased, identified as Roy McLean, otherwise called Jeroy, was found by family members, the police said. Information reaching Observer Online is that the now deceased was found lying on his back at his house with multiple chop wounds all over his body. The police said the back door of his house shows signs of forced entry. Based on observation, the police added it appeared the killing may have happened Saturday afternoon. The police said unconfirmed reports are that McLean may have been seen in the Morant Bay area of the parish about midday Saturday.